In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Protonmail step by step so you can start using a secure, privacy-focused email account in just a few minutes. Protonmail is known for its strong encryption and commitment to privacy, and the setup process is actually very straightforward. I'll walk you through everything from opening the website to creating your account, and I'll share tips along the way so you can choose a good username and password that work well for you. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window. Make sure you're on the official site. The address should start with HTTPS and include protonmail.com so you know you're in the right place and your connection is secure. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Create a free account. This is usually highlighted or placed in a very visible spot on the page. Click on that. Protonmail offers different plans, but starting with a free account is perfect if you're just getting familiar with the service or you don't need a lot of extra storage yet. After clicking to create a free account, you'll be taken to a page where you can select your plan. Here, you'll see the free option alongside any paid plans that include more storage, custom domains, or extra features. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions and then choose the plan that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, go with the free option. You can always upgrade later if you outgrow it. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be asked to create a username. This will become your Protonmail email address. So think about how you want to use the account. If it's for personal use, you might choose something based on your name. If it's more professional, consider a clean, simple variation that you'd be comfortable sharing with others. Usernames need to be unique, so if your first choice is already taken, try adding a short number or a simple variation rather than long strings of random characters. Type your chosen username into the field provided and check that it looks the way you want it to appear as an email address. Next, you'll create your password. This is a crucial step because your password protects your private data. Choose a strong password that you haven't used on other sites. A good approach is to use a combination of words, numbers, and symbols that you can remember but others can't easily guess. Avoid simple information like birthdays or common phrases. If you use a password manager, this is a great place to let it generate and store a secure password for you. Carefully type your password, and if there's a confirmation field, enter it again to make sure there are no typos. After you've entered your username and password and reviewed that everything looks correct, look for the button that says Start using Protonmail now. Click that to complete the setup process. Protonmail will finish creating your account and then take you into your new inbox. From here, you're ready to explore the interface, send your first message, and adjust any settings you like. That's all it takes to set up Protonmail and start enjoying a more private email experience.